Boom shakalaka, Bitcoin's second best January in history. Why things are just starting to pick up for Bitcoin, where price is likely headed, and exactly when. Stay tuned. What's up everyone, Randall here from Crypto Love. Today's video, we have a lot of very interesting charts for Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, including why things are just getting started, where prices are likely to go, and specifically when. Before we get into it, guys, make sure to like, subscribe, click the notification bell, come join us on Twitter at @CryptoLove. Push that like button. Now, today, greed 58, same as we were yesterday, pretty much same for the past week. The overall market up 1%, Bitcoin at 23,388, Ethereum at 1666, BNB at 331, XRP 40 cents, Cardano 39 cents, Dogecoin 9 cents, and Polygon $1.25. And Bitcoin, after breaking through this highest peak level on the volume profile, has retraced a little bit, potentially finding some support on this $23,000 level before climbing to new highs, potentially some resistance right around this high here, $25,000. And if we break through there, smooth sailing all the way up to $30,000. But this month, January, this past month, was the second biggest January in Bitcoin's history, 39.63% gains, similar only to January 2013 when we had 44% gains. And look at what happened after that. Pretty massive year after that. If we can have that happen again, oh my goodness, that will be spectacular. Right now, it's looking like it's quite possible. As we can see here, Bitcoin's hash rate is on an absolute tear right now. Not only is the absolute value at all-time highs, which is this orange line, but the most aggressive 30-day increase ever, as shown by this blue histogram here. Hash rate is very correlated to price. As hash rate goes up, price goes up as well. So we would suspect that Bitcoin price will likely be going up after this hash rate. Right now, Bitcoin OGs acquiring Bitcoin at the fastest pace in 8 years. People who have had Bitcoin over 5 years, 5 to 7, 7 to 10, and 10 plus years. Look at this accumulation. We haven't seen accumulation this sharp in pretty much all of Bitcoin's history, with the exception of maybe down here in 2015 bottom. So that being said, ultra long holders are accumulating exponentially in the last 6 months. These holders almost never sell. Do they know something that we don't know? Yeah, probably. Monetary policy is falling apart and Bitcoin's the only real money left. We see a lot of money rushing from the sidelines back into crypto. As we take a look at the stable coin supply ratio oscillator, we can see historically when this went up dramatically, Bitcoin price also went up. Right now, if we take a look at the exchange inflow monitor, this is a very curious pattern that has come about over the past couple months. The recent rally coincides with a new pattern emerging in stablecoins flowing into exchanges during work days only. Seems to really woo, like the heat signature of large institutions doing the buying. So not only do we have Bitcoin OGs buying up Bitcoin at a massive clip, it also appears like institutions are buying up Bitcoin on a massive clip. And are you still sitting on the sidelines? Not financial advice, but may not be sidelines for much longer. You see, when liquidity flows, Bitcoin moves. This indicator has never been wrong. 5 times before has picked out every massive major Bitcoin rally, flashing once again right now. And what this indicator is, when the Chinese 10-year breaks it above its 1-year MA, so this white line breaking above this red line, and the MACD crossed bullish, which it just did, we had both of these signals coming, suggesting likely another rally. This is called every other major significant rally in Bitcoin's history. Why would it be wrong this time? I don't know. If we take a look at the Gann rule, according to this, markets can retrace 50% of a movement in half of the time. Based on this rule, Bitcoin could be around $42,000, a doubling, quick doubling of Bitcoin's price by the 28th of May, 2023. For sell in May, go away. Bitcoin price doubles, you sell, you go away, you come back for Rocktober. Now, not only that, but if we take a look at the stochastic, we can see here a well-formed structure with stochastic behavior indicates that the next all-time high will be at $200,000 or the floor at $70,000 based on this break in the stochastic RSI. All of these things indicating for a massive Bitcoin rally because DXY has topped. DXY and Bitcoin are inversely correlated. And when DXY starts falling from tops, Bitcoin bull runs begin from 900% to over 40,000%. And Bitcoin usually reaches its top in 50 weeks, in a year or less. That means the projected date of this next top, based on the DXY top right here, would be roughly October 9th of 2023. So like I say, these sidelines are fast disappearing. We have one projection for May, we have one projection for October in terms of the next possible peaks for Bitcoin. So what's the good news if you have been sitting on the sidelines? Well, the good news is Bitcoin has just recently broken above its realized price. Now, when Bitcoin is below its realized price, this is like fire sale territory, the best prices you can buy Bitcoin at. Well, the good news is Bitcoin prices just above fire sale, just above best possible prices to buy it at. So if you're sitting on the sidelines, again, not financial advice, but you may want to just consider maybe not sitting there, maybe dipping your toe in or something like that. Anyways, that's all for today's video. If you did enjoy it, push that like button. Such a pleasure spending this time with you every day. I will catch you guys later. Have a good one. Love you. Peace.
If you don't think Bitcoin's going to $1 million a coin and then $10 million a coin, you're already a loser.